Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and this is the US dollar and Canadian dollar. I really don't like this US dollar and Canadian dollar at these current levels, despite the fact that oil is making lower and lower and lower moves or levels. I really don't like this US dollar Canadian dollar. It means oil's gotta turn as well. The thing is that I'm still saying that this is an impulsive move on the bigger time frame with nothing but a trend line here that goes at the end of this triangle in here. And what I would love to see is this trend line to be pierced somewhere, I don't know, somewhere in here, stuff like that. It means that we need a move into 26 something area and then the market to go and make a new high. So I would still say that this US dollar Canadian dollar forms nothing but a rising wedge for the move to come. This rising wedge still needs more time to form, as from my point of view only a first wave to the upside is completed. So we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order for this to be a rising wedge. Now, in order to be a rising wedge, the first wave most likely is the one that is already being done in here. Like this, with these highs. And now we need a corrective wave for the second wave. So this will be the first wave. Then we need a corrective wave for the second wave. But the second wave usually is also the most time consuming. So it's gotta take more than it took for the first wave to form. Now first wave it took 5 days. And here we gotta have a pullback, or a pullback that should be that strong in order for the US dollar Canadian dollar to come and reach this area in here. So, and to break this trend line in here. This comes normally with an important event. An important event ahead of us can only be the FOMC statement and the FOMC press conference that we are going to have on Wednesday. And therefore, this US dollar Canadian dollar is preparing itself already for the trip. If we have a move into the FOMC, a move that threatens to break this trend line in here, then the outcome out of the FOMC is going to be bullish for the US dollar Canadian dollar. Otherwise, if don't, then will only favor the downside. However, from current levels 28.14, we only want put options to buy, and I will choose 2 expiration dates for them. So split the investment into 2 if you want. Normally I would like to trade put options with end of day expiration today. So put options from current levels. Current level is what, 128.14, with end of day expiration date, and also put options from current levels with end of month expiration date, this time for the US dollar and Canadian dollar. Well, let's see what the markets is going to do, as this is going to be a heck of an important trading week. Bye bye.